when we did start this out more than 3 years ago, we did get folks that used to joke with us. They used to say, "Smile, you're on camera," and where's all the privacy going on this one, right? So we did come up with what we call as an advanced deep natural anonymization technique. This is PII, PHI secure. This is HIPAA compliant. So what we really do is that when we have the cameras that are mounted on the racks, and if there are clinicians that are actually at the time, taking inventory, and the camera is taking a snapshot of the inventory, and the clinician is captured, as you can see here, there's an automated AI model that kicks in that blurs them. There's a body blur, face blur, a full masking technique that is actually applied. So the snapshot is taken of the inventory and the human in this case. The human is blurred out and the frames are dropped to ensure that this is meeting the highest levels of ethical, privacy, and security guidelines.